My name is Katy and I have a channel on YouTube. But my channel is in Spanish and I want to share it with other people. My English is bad. Tell me my mistakes to correct them. In this video, I will show how to connect the amplifier with the speakers. We need these stuffs. 2 speakers 8 ohms, a mini amplifier Mitsu, 1 battery 12 volts, a wire RCA to plug 3.5, we need connect green wires to amplifier. Later we will connect the black and white wires to the speaker. We do the same with the other speaker. Now we connect the RCA wires to amplifier. The other side connect to our audio player. Now we connect the last wires to amplifier. The orange wire should be connected the red wire. That's all. You can listen the music in the mountain. Don't forget to subscribe.